So 1 lanyard, 2 chances to win. And
I'm giving away 2 AWD DRIVE kits. Maya's explaining on the live video right now.
And these are over here are so far the lanyards that are being sent out for those who have purchased a lanyard to be entered into the giveaway. They're going out in a day or 2. There's only a few slots left.
A few slots left, and buy your lanyard. Look what we got here, look what we got here. Homeboy made it.
You know what I'm saying? A very short drive.
I'm gonna drive all the way from Maryland. And this car's heavy. Go in the back, go in the back. Alright, we made it.
That's one built, man.
Alright.
What's the saying? 4-wheel gripping?
4-wheel gripping.
Yeah.
Oh well. Anyway, all the way from Maryland. Let's show you guys what we're working with. You guys already seen it. Yep. Okay, man.
Really?
What's up, bro?
What's going on, boss?
You got a shirt on everything. The
You know
man
what I'm
working
saying?
out. Jay,
Jay,
you hired him, bro? He's here?
Yeah.
Part-time?
Part-time, I'm interning.
So this is his build guy. You saw it the other night when it came in. So you wanted us to give us just a quick rundown on the build. Just quick.
So, pretty much fully built GSR, long block, 67, 66 turbo, AA fab up pipe, 60mm wastegate. What else am I missing? Oh yeah, and it's going all-wheel drive, the biggest part. You know?
You hear that?
You see where we're going? you see where we at, man. You know,
all the way from Maryland, guys. Your homeboy just drove all the way down here.
Yo, I had to make that trip, man. After talking to these guys, meeting them at Honda Day, I have to. It's, you know, it's a match made in heaven almost.
Yeah, man. So yeah, nice setup. You guys see. I showed you guys this car before at H Day, but get a little more in depth. We're gonna check out the AWD DRIVE build.
Yeah,
and you got what the you see, you got an upgraded transfer case down there.
Yeah, we got the Drag Cartel billet transfer case in the back.
You guys see it?
Put it in the air so you can see it better.
Okay, cool.
And then, so far, once we get everything else done, the initial plan is, should I release it? You know, put a dog box, a 1 through 4 all-wheel drive box in there.
Everything.
Then we still got the wheels. We might go testing next week. You never know. Stay tuned for that. But so far so good. These guys work fast, dude. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was sleeping on this process. Like, literally, it's been a day and everything is probably almost in the car already.
Yep.
They already got everything mocked up. They're just welding everything already. And I'm like, yo.
That's his pumps right there. The whole thing is cut out for the cover plate.
Yeah, the diff is over there somewhere.
These are the arms he's using. He's going drag. He's gonna drag his lower control arms. You know what I'm saying? That's the back piece. So yeah, it's coming together quick. Are you try to get to H there?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna try to make it to H day 100%. Just because, I mean, even if we don't get to run, at least I'll be at the booth, so you guys can really come check out the car. The car runs and drives. It's not a pretty show car. This thing scoots, all right? It's tuned by Abe, so if you guys know, you know Abe. This car ain't no joke. So you're gonna see it, trust me. You really like this car. I love it. You know what I'm saying, but definitely swing by the H Day booth, and you'll see the car. Check it out. You know, I'll start it up, hit the 2-step, whatever. Let me know.
Nice, check it out, guys. You know, we got some stuff in here. But yeah, that's the setup right there. The shifter. Everything's coming together. So we're gonna keep you guys posted. We're gonna have some good old Florida barbecue. Do a quick break. Yo, who can't hang?
Hashtag Pam can't hang.
Who can't hang?
Pam can't hang.
Hey. Come on, Pam. Fist bump.
Justin, Jit, a welder that never wants to be on camera.
That's one. Dear God, we thank you for all the turbos and all the drive kits. Amen. Oh, we just out. Have a good meal, right, Pam?
Right.
Good meal. Have the whole crew here.
DB.
DBBA. So we got the got it all boxed in already. Ready to put his Wago diff up. He's gonna be going up. Oh, you guys already seen that. So follow the bill. We're gonna try to do this right. See, you got that bulletproof going on. What up, Jit? You got your welding in the bar, upper support. Everything. This whole area is going to be sprayed up pretty soon, but getting it welded right now. Support bars are welded. I'm going anywhere. Next, we're going to bang down on the top a little bit and bolt it in. That's the only part we require to bolt in, you know. Keep it firm, doesn't flex up. Everything else welded, brace welded. Everything's all sprayed up now. We haven't bolted this up yet, but this is how it usually looks. This is all sealed up. This cover plate looks firm. This is how it looks. And we usually do a kit. After we're done, we spray it up. And everything's gonna go back up. He's using Delta 7. So we're gonna show you guys that. Should be looking real nice. Everything on, looking good. Drag arms. This thing is up. First up, everything painted as you guys saw earlier. So I'm gonna put this rotor on. Probably next video you guys see this running. We got this sign in here. You guys are doing some coilover business. What's up, Meno? Give a little update on the Evo swapped each.
This is, so the back end is pretty much all done. So we did all this. We braced it up here, like you can see. We got some brace in here that we welded. So this thing bolts on here. We wanted to, when we did this, we wanted to make sure it was easy for them to remove the diff if they need to. So instead of the way that we were going to do in the beginning, we changed it where we made a bracket here. To remove this is just the 2 bolts up here. This thing stays on here. Because before we were going to mount it onto here and weld this, but we did it this way here, where we actually use the 2 bolt up here, so this thing will come down with it, and then the 4 bolts back here to remove the diff.
Okay.
But everything is all braced. Everything's all braced. Everything's all ready to go. So pretty much now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna, well, I don't know if they're gonna clean all this up and then paint it down here, and then this is gonna get powder coated.
Nice.
With the logo and all that. Now the only thing left here, you can see we got the control arms on. We got our Alpha 6 with the 5 lugs, 28 spline. This is the biggest spline. This is kind of like the RSX Type S.
Okay, I see. Nice.
Hubs basically. So you got the lugs, color with our drag forks, drag setup. So. And then of course you got your camber. We got our camber kit here. We got a tow kit here. And then the only thing left that we have to do on this now is I'll show you the top.
Okay.
You can see, actually you can see a big hole right there, and that's a no-go for us. We're gonna make this thing. We want it clean, you know. We want it clean. We don't want a big hole in there. So, so y'all bring this thing down. So you can see what we're talking about. See a big old spot here. So we're gonna clean all this stuff up here. You clean all this stuff up and then grind it, And then we made this right here. See, the one that we said won't work with this 4G63 Evo diff.
Too small.
Too small. So we went ahead and we're gonna make our own. So we did the first step here.
That's gonna make it be more like braced up back there.
Yeah, brace, that's gonna make it stronger too. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna clean all this up and then we'll form it to here and then we'll tack that, we'll weld all this, weld all that, and then we'll make the side first here. Weld the side, weld the top and all that. And it's pretty much, that's it after that. I mean, it's all ready to get the whole inside. I think they're painting everything inside here. And I'm not sure what they're doing about their cage. So.
Okay. The cage came with a shell, right?
Yeah, when they bought it, I think it came with a shell. So I don't know if they're keeping it or they're putting new ones in here or what. Okay. So it's coming along. Yep. And now after this, all we have to do
is check out the motor. You guys seen it before.
So after that, we just have to mount this up. We have to mount this up here.
Yeah.
And then, you know, go ahead and brace all that in there.
Brace it up, right?
Yeah. And then put the motor in, make a mount for the motor, make sure it sits right, all that and everything. And then we're gonna do the dry shaft and all that, and pretty much after that we're gonna give it back to them. But I think we're gonna make a tubular.
A tubular.
Yeah, for the front and all that, and clean up some of this mess with them. You can see down here, pretty beat up. So, and we'll brace some more. You know, we'll brace some of the stuff here for them, so it doesn't. Yeah, we'll do more braces since it's gonna make that much power.
Right. Yep.
So stay tuned.
Coming together. You heard it from the man himself. Stay tuned. This is gonna be a sick build. When they're done with it, they're gonna bring it back to us so we can, you know, see the final thing. These guys are dipping out. We're gonna deliver this Subi out of here, right?
Yep, we're out of here. I'm gonna drop this Subi off to the closet. See you guys.
So of course, My's helping him driving down with her hubby, Texas. Out of here.
Yep, out of here. Driving the first few hours, and then hopefully he'll take over after that. And then we'll see what happens.
Okay, cool.
Road trip. Thank you guys for watching.
Slipping even on the straight, yeah. Warming up at A6. The Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch. B-Series or a ZC. And that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips. And ain't no 12 to catch us, so. K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX.